Redwood Newsmakers is being brought to you by your local U.S. Cellular stores.
With us today is Sarah Gavette, social worker with Adult Day Health at Humboldt Senior Resource Center. Thanks for inviting us here today.
Thank you for having me.
Humboldt Senior Resource Center is hosting the 2024 Dementia Care Conference, and that's coming up on May 16th. Can you give us an overview of this important presentation?
Yes, this is really going to be essential for educating our community about people who have dementia and their care. It's going to be a really great opportunity for caregivers and individuals working with people who have Alzheimer's to learn about different approaches and ways to work with that population that's very person-centered and at a level where people are engaged in their care and we're not just putting care upon them, we're including them in that.
There's quite an impressive list of behavioral professionals presenting all throughout the conference, and the topics are wide-ranging from breakthroughs in dementia care to ethical care planning and things like spiritual and emotional aspects of dementia care. Can you tell us what some of those topics are throughout the day?
Yes, the one I'm most excited about is going to be Samantha Day, and she's our Director of Social Services here at Humboldt Senior Resource Center, and she has some exciting information for us about non-pharmaceutical interventions for people who have dementia. And that's so important because a lot of our population is over-medicated, and we try to use that as a tool when it's always not in the best interest of the participant or the individual. There's a lot of side effects that can come along with it. So this will be really important to help us learn about, ways that we can approach individuals and work with them that's more in a person-centered way, which is also the overarching topic of our...
Yeah, what is the topic? And what is the title of the event?
Person-centered approaches in dementia care.
Yeah. So Sarah, who are these dementia care courses aimed at? Is it continuing education for medical and mental health providers, or is it also for caregivers and, say, family members?
Yes, it's for all of those. Specifically, we will have the continuing education units for directors of healthcare facilities and LVNs and registered nurses, as well as behavioral health. Some specific, like licensed clinical social workers and aspects like that, will be able to get those continuing education units.
Well, let's talk about registering online for the conference, because people need to do that kind of now, don't they?
They do. You can go to our website, Humboldt Senior Resource Center, and register.
Please tell us again the name and the date and the location of the conference.
The name of the conference is Person-Centered Approaches in Dementia Care. It is going to be held at the Humboldt County Office of Education on May 16th from 8:30 to 5. And that is at the Humboldt County Office of Education in their Sequoia Conference Room.
Sarah Gavette, Adult Day Health social worker from Humboldt Senior Resource Center. Thanks for having us here today.
Thank you for having me.